Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, and the entire Kogi family. Good evening, sir. Thank you for coming. I'm sure by this time you must have got the idea what this meeting is all about. This is first meeting of 2021 for all the eminent people here, and as it is mentioned that investors meet, it is basically to create an awareness about the brand, about the company, and we will have a brief presentation what has been our success story throughout last few years and what is the way ahead for us. And my name is Mohammad Gauss. I am the senior director in the organization, and we also have Mr. Swaranjit Sen and Mr. Syed Sheikh Akbar. I would request you to give a round of applause to both of them. Before I start, we would like to felicitate our chief guest here, a guest of honor, and I would request Mr. Manish, rather than me saying words, I think audio visual effect would make an impact. Over Manish.
Mr. Swaranjit Singh, the most dynamic DGP the United States of Andhra Pradesh has seen, and one of the best DGPs who served the country. High levels of energy and great intellect are what one remembers the moment one hears his name. Born on the 24th December 1946, Mr. Singh later completed his graduation from St. Stephen's College, Delhi. He then joined the Indian Army under the Shock Service Commission and served between 1968 and 1973, and also took part in the military operations in the Indo-Pak War of 1971. Later, Mr. Singh joined the Indian Police Service on July 8, 1973, and served as the Superintendent of Police in Kurnool and Guntur districts. Having an impeccable record, Mr. Singh rose in the ranks of police force and finally served as the Director General and Inspector General of Police. Mr. Singh was an expert in tackling Naxalism and had invented many methods to eradicate Naxalism and other serious crimes. He was considered a subject matter expert and was consulted by many states to help curb Naxalism. He formed Special Security Force and had conducted many fire drills during his tenure as the Inspector General of Fire Services. He trained and mentored many able police officers who went on to serve the police force very efficiently and still consider him their guide. Mr. Singh later had been appointed as the chairman of Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation. We are extremely pleased and honored to have Mr. Swaranjit Singh as our guest of honor today. We request Honorable ex-DGP Mr. Swaranjit Singh to come on to the stage.
A big round of applause. Serious business agenda. I would like to start with the corporate video of Kogi Properties.
Witnessed uniform development in many fields. From the year 2000 to the year 2010, the Indian economy grew by almost 9%. Industries and investments boosted the economy. This was the period when the real estate sector in India started growing. The period when people realized that investment on land always appreciates. In the period of 2010 to 2020, the country's economy became one of the largest and strongest in the world, witnessing growth in many sectors such as IT, life sciences, aviation, artificial intelligence, robotics, and so on. Telangana, the one and only young state that has grown right from the time of emerging, the most dynamic state designed to be the hub of real estate investment. Telangana is the only state that has designed the sectors like IT, government, tourism, real estate, etc. to achieve parallel development in those sectors. Hyderabad, the capital of the prestigious young state Telangana. With the construction of a high-tech city, it's clear how much development a city witnesses through projects that create quality employment. Being the leader in IT and real estate sectors, Hyderabad has seen a surge in job opportunities due to investment by multinational companies and foreign investments. Hyderabad has become one of the fastest growing metropolitan cities in the country, with its high-tech city at its heart, surrounded by Kochi-Bali, SEZ Zone, Ramoji Film City, Adibatla, the fast-growing pharma city, Hyderabad, a super city in terms of development and real estate in India. Founded on September 1, 2017, Googie Properties is committed to provide profit through secure investments to the customers by having ethical values in the real estate sector. Googie Properties started its journey with a 2-acre Dollar City project in Sherighoda village. While a robust legal team that constantly strives for investment security is their specialty. Their layouts that are located right beside the future development zones and multinational projects are a highlight. Kings Home Meadows, Googie Royal City, Googie Pearl City, Googie Wonder City, Googie Pharma City, Googie Film City, Googie Hills, Googie International Aero City, and many more top-notch projects provide the best investment opportunity. Every Googie venture is specifically located and designed to do justice to every rupee of the buyer and provide multi-fold growth. Googie Properties started their venture with 2 acres and reached to a 200-acre project in a very short period of time. The immense trust of the customers made this possible. The man behind the legacy, Mr. Sheikh Akbar, MD and founder of Googie Properties. Sheikh Akbar worked as an associate regional manager at ICICI Prudential for 12 years and founded Googie Properties in the year 2017. During his tenure, he not only led the company with his leadership skills and experienced business acumen, but also received numerous awards. He merged corporate culture with real estate with a lot of hard work and dedication. Googie intends to become a trusted brand capable of executing any large project with the best design, ethical values and expertise, with investments tailored to fit the needs of buyers, thus becoming a pioneer in planned real estate development. Googie's mission is to provide buyers with investment security and multifold growth of investment. Now, Googie is about to expand its business into a number of areas with plans to establish Googie retail stores, super and hypermarket chain, Googie colleges, Googie hotels and resorts, Googie hospitals, etc. in the future. While growing rapidly, Googie is also contributing towards corporate social responsibility in a lot of ways. Googie Group sponsored the women's rugby team in state-level competition, assisted GHMC workers with groceries and household items during the COVID-19 pandemic. The company has sponsored a weightlifting champion to compete at the national level. Googie launched a road safety campaign with the courtesy of Hyderabad Traffic Police and supplied helmets to all customers and Googie employees. For this success and growth, a strong team is needed to lead an organization to such success and growth. It's the Googie Force. The company, which started with 2 associates, has gradually grown to 5, 50, 100 and now has more than 1,500 associates. These associates work under the leadership and guidance of 20 highly experienced Googie directors. Googie always supports the team in all possible ways, arranging site visits, training them to gain expertise in real estate, thereby helping everyone grow as a team in every way. Life at Googie is always fun. Regular rewards and proper recognition, excursions, games, entertainment, etc. are offered. This is not just a team, it's Googie family. It's always growing. Googie Group is developing in many sectors and is laying the road to a bright future with the slogan, Go Together, Grow Together. Googie invites you to be a part of its success journey. Let's join the legacy and be a part of Googie's success.
Thank you. Now, to move ahead on the agenda part, we have a presentation on the success story of Googie as well as the way ahead, wherein I would like to introduce our Senior Director, Mr. DRR, we call him by name DRR, but he is Mr. Ramchandra Reddy. And just to give a brief introduction about him, he has been the founder member of ICICI. He was the first person to start a branch of ICICI in Hyderabad, He moved to ICICI from a public sector bank, Union Bank to private bank, then private bank he moved to an international bank in Nigeria. He carries a great domain experience in terms of banking, and we are very fortunate, very happy to have him in our management team. So please put your hands together to take the agenda forward. We request Mr. DRR to come onto the stage, please.
सबको नमस्कार. 9th January. It's a sheer coincidence. On my presentation, we meet in 9th January yesterday. It's a very important date in history. Something happened on 9th January which shaped the destination of the nation. Probably some of you could make out what it was. I instantly గుర్తుచేసుకుంటూ some other program was started by Government of India which relates to investments. And it's a sheer coincidence. You might be wondering what it is. I can see some of you guessed right. 9th January 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, he was a Pravasi Bharatiya. He landed in India, and we know how it changed the destiny of nation. To commemorate that day, Government of India in 2003 started a program called Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, with a intention to attract investments into India by the overseas. So see the date coincidence. We are starting our program like this on 9th January to attract investments from Bharatiyas sitting here, and we are seeking your investment. I am sure this also will shape the destiny of Udupi and, if I may say so, real estate market in Hyderabad. With that blessings, I will start my presentation, and I am sure whatever I say will come true. So great day, 9th January. Let me have the presentation. Yes, I have to be. Redefining real estate. Already you might be observing, some of you I heard commenting, is real estate presentation or meeting like IT office meeting. So that's how we are changing the image of real estate to a organized sector, which was very organized. And you will see now how we have changed the destiny. So what we are doing today, we are seeking your investment. So in this presentation, I will explain what we are doing with your investment, how, of course, it is for real estate, how real estate is contributing to Hyderabad, Indian economy, market, and how Indian economy also is supporting these things which make us happen. So, yes, we need not debate on this. India is a growth story happening very good, except for some dent during these times. It's just a dent. We can again see there are signs of recovery, and all projections by international agencies, be it World Bank or IMF, they say India growth story will be more than world average. The GDP growth rate, world average projection is 21-22 is 4%, we will be around 5.5. And after that, even projections are 8. That will be very great thing. So what's happening? We are already attracting good FDI, and these are some mind-boggling figures what we have done so far. And India is also one of the highest. India has one of the highest high-end startup companies, as we can see the figures here. Okay, I have to point this side. Right. So all the sectors which contribute to GDP. Earlier, real estate was not recognized or not talked about much, but among all sectors, we can already see real estate right now is contributing around 6-7% of our GDP. And the interesting part, which interests us, is the last line. It is expected to contribute almost 13% of GDP by 2025. So right now 6-7%, and by 2025, we are expecting 13%, almost double. So we can see the opportunity available to all of us here. What are the other advantages? In fact, real estate sector is doing very well in India because of many factors, and some of the advantage factors are there is a robust demand. huge urbanization is going on, not only in Hyderabad or Telangana, in fact entire India, and the urbanization is going in very, very rapid state. Because of this, a lot of opportunities are coming, and government policy also is supporting this. There are a lot of policy initiatives and increasing investment. In the last line, people are recognizing this. This sector is well acknowledged, and a lot of investments are flowing into real estate sector. We all know these are the real estate segment we can categorize into residential, non-residential, in residential open plots, villas and apartments. Whatever figures we are quoting now will not include agriculture sector. The land purchased by or for agriculture purpose. ఒక రైతు ఇంకో రైతు కొన్ని మన అగ్రికల్చర్ చేసుకోవడానికి సజ్జం చేసుకోవడానికి ఆ ఫిగర్స్ దీంట్లో ఇంక్లూడ్ లేవు. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఫిగర్స్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కోట్ విల్ ఇంక్లూడ్ దీస్ సెగ్మెంట్స్. So what's happening, as I mentioned, let's see what's happening in India, real estate sector. As I mentioned, it's already contributing 6 to 7%. And there was a comment that after demonetization, there will be some dent in real estate market. Nothing happened, probably it would have been just 1 month, either shock or waiting period. And then it recovered very fast. One more report by IBF, it's a Indian Brand Equity Fund, they track all businesses. And they project that real estate market in India is expected to hit US 1 trillion by 2030. It's a great numbers, very, very big numbers we are talking about. What's happening in Hyderabad? These figures are of 2019, 2020 figures are not yet available, but we can see the trend, what happened in 2019. Office lease purchase transactions, supply of new office spaces, and in terms of leasing volumes, first time in the history, Hyderabad overtook Bangalore also, with a huge margin. And the last line, very, very interesting and relevant to our business. It says, residential project launches in second half of 2019 hit a 6-year high of 8,065 units. That is massive jump of 375%. We all know real estate, we are Hyderabadis. All these figures are reported figures which are documented. You know what I mean. So actual figures may be much more and it could be huge, but we can see the trends. 2020 figures are not there, but the trends are almost similar, except for brief 2 or 3 months of lockdown period and some shift in sectors. Real estate is doing very well in 2020 also. So what is the road ahead? India is already expected to do very well in all sectors of economy, and particularly the opportunities. It says we will be US 4 trillion by 2025 consumption itself, and the opportunity, it would create an opportunity worth $1.25 trillion in the Indian market. Huge money. And where will this money go? Naturally, most of the money share will come to real estate, and that will circulate. Now come to Googie Properties. We understood the Indian economic market, real estate market in India and Hyderabad. Now where Googie stands in it. Googie will be taking advantage of all these opportunities, already doing very well. I will explain in next few slides how fast we are growing and successful. And yes, we are poised and we are ready to take advantage of all these factors. Our vision is obviously to become a leading player in real estate development and become a trusted brand. Not only in Telangana, later on we will do this in the entire country. And our mission includes, among other things, to empower, enable all stakeholders. That includes our associate customers and investors. We are giving an opportunity to invest and grow. She is our brand ambassador, Pranita Subhash, we all know, and that is giving us good visibility. And the man himself, you have just seen, who has created this, I can say, empire. And his slogan is, go together, grow together. Yes, what he says is correct. Land is the important source everybody wish to have, and history says many wars were fought on land only. And all Indians aspire to have land, and Googie offers that opportunity to investors as well as those who aspire to own a land for themselves. Our recognition, what all we did is well recognized by market, some of the examples. In 2019, prestigious magazine Silicon India awarded Company of the Year. They rate all startups who are doing very well, and we got recognition and we were awarded Company of the Year in 2019. In 2020, another good magazine, Business Connect, they awarded CEO of the Year, and their title, they chose the title to mention about us, the rising star of real estate market. Yes, it is. Some other recognitions. Media regularly covers all our events. In fact, all big or small, no small, all events will be big only ours. And media covers and gives good publicity, and we are well known and visible in the market. One more credit to us, we are ISO certified company, and in what real estate development is okay, but they gave us in the category layout and plotting. What it means? It means they studied all our process, how we acquire land, how we go about layouts, plotting, and the entire process. They verified, checked all our documents, sample survey, and they found us that all our processes are very good, and we were awarded this ISO certificate. So that is the measure of our quality in dealing things. Our success story, we started with 2 acres. Our last completed project was almost 200 acres, and upcoming project is 1000 acres, and we are going to launch it very soon in February itself. So see the journey in very, very short period. 2 acres, then 200 acres, and now it is 1000 acres. Probably after some time when we are sitting like this, no surprise if we add one more zero to this. The growth story in numbers. In April 2017 to 18, it was 8 acres. In 2018-19, it was 30 acres. 19-20, 200 acres. And 2021 will be crossing 1000 acres. Usually, why this fast? We have seen many companies, real estate companies. If 100 acres is a big number, and if somebody does a venture of 100 acres, they sell over a period of years, maybe 2 years, 3 years. And every year we keep on listening about that venture. Here 100 acres just in 3 months is over, and we move on to other ventures. So going by that speed, this 1000 acres also will be rewritten, and you will see more about this. What is the reason for our success? Why we are so successful? The reason is professional management team. You will see this, the details. We have 4,000 plus sales force and multiplying daily. And by March, it will cross 6 or 7,000 by year end. We thought 10,000, but it will be more. It will be huge sales force and sales force quality also. It's just not numbers. You see all our sales force, they are all well educated, qualified, successful in their earlier careers. All successful people. And that's how these numbers, what you are seeing on the screen. Choice of venture locations. Here, if we see the history of Hyderabad, it applies to all locations. What kind of land grows very fast? That location where some business activity is going to happen and government infrastructure is coming up or is in place. Hence, the land grows very fast. All our locations, you will see that we meet this criteria. So our choice is very good, and that's how the customers lap it up. The quality of venture development. Here, when a customer asks a developer, "Sir, మీరు అదివరకు చేసిన వెంచర్స్ అన్ని చెప్పినట్టే చేశారా?" యూజువల్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ కాదండి, మీరు కంపేర్ చేయకూడదు, ఆ వెంచర్ వేరు ఈ వెంచర్ వేరు, కంపేర్ చేయకూడదు అంటాం. కానీ మేమేమంటామంటే ప్లీజ్ యూ సీ ఆల్ అవర్ ప్రీవియస్ వెంచర్స్. తప్పకుండా మా ప్రీవియస్ వెంచర్స్ ఒకసారి వెళ్ళండి, విచ్ ఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్. ఎందుకని ఆల్ గుడ్ లొకేషన్స్ మేము ఒకళ్ళు కాదు, చాలామంది చేస్తుంటారు వెంచర్స్. అక్కడ వేరే వాళ్ళు చేసిన వెంచర్స్కి మా వెంచర్స్కి తేడా కనపడాలి. దట్స్ వై వీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ రిక్వెస్ట్, ఇన్సిస్ట్ and encourage all our customers to visit all our previously completed ventures. Technology implementation. We are up to date. We use technology to do whatever we do. Either it could be giving tools to our sales force or giving tools to our customers also to assess us. For example, if any customer is not in Hyderabad, but we want to make him see the venture. Of course, many customers don't see the venture also, they book. But those who want to see but they are not available in Hyderabad, we have something like virtual tours. I don't know if one is ready. Manish, is one such video ready now? No. Fine, we'll see later. So all our inventory is monitored and used in an app base, and we encourage virtual site visits. Our sales process is modern, up to date, professional. Land acquisition, development sales, this is one of the crucial factors. Usually, every month, lot of land vendors come to us, they meet our MD offering lands for development. 90% of such cases are rejected because of one reason or another. We first go through a process, whether the land is feasible, is there any reason for customer to buy that place? If that passes, then document scrutiny, verification, and many other things. So 90% of such cases are rejected. So it passes a tough scrutiny, land acquisition and development and other things. And property management. Even post sale, 99%, in fact I can stick my neck and say 99% of the cases you will see developers, once they sell off the land, they abandon. They have no interest in that place. But as I mentioned, we encourage all our customers to see our previous ventures. All our completed ventures, it is properly fenced, our team is there, it is well maintained, they are lively. So whenever customer wants to have a resale, that is one of the good choices. And that's how a lot of success stories in terms of resale of customers who have purchased our plots. So these are some of our success mantra. Little video I think is not ready, so we'll skip this. We mentioned professional management team. So this is our management team. We have senior bankers, financial professors, financial experts, academicians, professors, doctors, all sectors, all experts in their own field. And here I would like to mention, although it's not what we thought, youngest of them, all the entire team is our MD, Mr. Akbar himself. I would like to have a round of applause for him, please. It is his goodwill and charisma which attracts even senior people. Senior than age and senior than him in career, he attracts all of them and everybody loves to work here. Thank you, Mr. Akbar. So this is our professional team. Our some of completed and ongoing ventures. I recommend most of you, if you are not already seen, please go through our ventures. This Pharma Hills is the current one at Yacharam, near Sagar Road. One more story, Pharma Hills, near Yacharam. This venture has not started work, we have not started work. Pharma City, we sold out most of that and work has started now. మనం వెంచర్ దగ్గరికి చూడలేము, కస్టమర్ని తీసుకెళ్తే వెంచర్ లోపలికి తీసుకెళ్ళలేము, దూరం నుంచి చూపిస్తాము ఇది అనేసి. కానీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 60-70% సోల్డ్. చాలా ఆశ్చర్యంగా ఉంటుంది చాలామంది. కొంతమంది అడుగుతారు ఎలా అవుతుంది అని. నా ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్నోవా క్రిస్టా ఆర్ ఇన్నోవా ఫార్చునర్ కొత్త మోడల్స్ ఇంకా ఇండియాకి రాలేదు. ఎక్కడో తెలిసింది కొత్త మోడల్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. కస్టమర్స్ ఆల్రెడీ పే అండ్ బుకింగ్ స్టార్టెడ్. సేమ్ థింగ్ హ్యాపెన్స్ విత్ అవర్ ప్లాట్స్. ఎస్, యూ కెన్ క్లాప్. Some of our project highlights, these are all common, everybody gives, but wherever our venture crosses 100 acres, we always give either a resort or a clubhouse. All big ventures will have a resort or clubhouse, and that will be a landmark in that area. That is our promise. Not only our plot owners, of course membership is free to our plot owners, but our aim is people from outside, they should come there, pay and use our services. And that is how we will generate revenue to pay for the maintenance of that place. So these are our project highlights. Now come to investments, which we all gathered here to discuss. As an individual, we have many investment options. Our savings, what we do, naturally we look for various investment instruments. It could be bonds, stocks, we buy gold. Some still keep in provident fund. Mutual fund, of course, is very popular. Term deposits and all those so and so forth. And real estate investment is one of the options. Our recommendation. Not only about being a Hyderabadi, everybody knows this, and I need not reiterate, but we all believe the best investment on earth is earth itself. There cannot be any better investment than earth. It is the best asset class. Why? We'll see this. We all know this, I am just reiterating. This is an asset with good rate of returns. If chosen wisely, it gives very good rate of return. It is less maintenance. మనం లాకర్లో పెట్టుకోకర్లేదు, ఎక్కడికి ఎవరు దొంగతనం చేయరు, ఏం అవ్వదు, నో మెయింటెనెన్స్ అట్ ఆల్, వెరీ లెస్. రైజింగ్ డిమాండ్ అండ్ ఫైనైట్ రిసోర్స్, ఇది అందరికీ తెలుసు, బట్ సమ్హౌ వి ఇగ్నోర్ దిస్. వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మీన్? డిమాండ్ రోజు రోజుకి పెరుగుతుంది. ఎర్లియర్ డేస్, హౌ ఎర్లియర్, మచ్ ఎర్లియర్ డేస్, ద సో కాల్డ్ బిగ్ పీపుల్, పెద్దవాళ్ళు మాత్రమే ల్యాండ్ కొనేవాళ్ళు ఫర్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్. కామన్ పీపుల్ యూస్ టు బై ల్యాండ్, మనం ఇల్లు కట్టుకోవాలి, ఇక్కడనే ఉండాలి అని. కానీ యూజువలీ బిగ్ పీపుల్ యూస్ టు దిస్. బట్ నౌ ఇన్ ద చేంజింగ్ సర్కమ్స్టాన్సెస్, all common people, including low income group people, aspire to own a land for investment. That is a big change. So incomes are rising, aspirations are growing, demand for land is growing, and resource is finite. Supply is fixed. Supply is not going to increase. I repeat, demand is rising, supply is same. In fact, it is scarce because ఇప్పుడున్న వాళ్ళందరూ ల్యాండ్ కొనిస్తే మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ it will be too scarce a resource. So that's how prices are rising. Of course, peace of mind, fewer government implications, better investments. This is a big debate. Some other day we'll take that. Good resale market. Any investment is not a good investment if there is no market to resell. మనం స్టాక్స్ కొంటాము, ఆ పర్టికులర్ స్టాక్స్కి మార్కెట్ లేదంటే ఎంత పెద్ద వాల్యూ ఉన్నా దెర్ ఇస్ నో యూస్. సిమిలర్లీ ఫర్ ఎనీ అదర్ అసెట్. కానీ ల్యాండ్, ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఎ గుడ్ resale market, and there are many more reasons. As I mentioned, we all know this. Being a Hyderabadi, we know real estate and we know why it is useful, but some reiteration. And here comes the next big thing, why we are seeking investment and what we are going to do. Briefly, we will go through this and I will invite Mr. Akbar to explain it. What is going to happen? We all might have heard about this integrated township policy of Telangana government. Government has announced that they will encourage satellite townships, that is integrated township, in Hyderabad metropolitan region. What is the reason? Hyderabad is getting congested and government is realizing this. When I say congested, it will, some projection says it will surpass Gurgaon also. Right now in India, Gurgaon or Gurugram, what it is called now, has the highest density of population, almost 20,000 people per square kilometer. And right now Hyderabad is clocking somewhere around 11,000 people per square kilometer. And the way it is growing, it is estimated it will cross Gurgaon in few years. That's how government wants to decongest the city and encourage townships around overall. That is the policy, lot of policy incentives. Let's listen from the man himself who announced this. We can have this video of Mr. KTR.
We are committed to decongesting the city of Hyderabad. उसके लिए दो चीज़ करना जरूरी है, एक तो डिस्पर्शन में ग्रोथ होना चाहिए और दूसरा हम लोग एक नया पॉलिसी भी लाए हैं. इसमें अगर कोई रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर है तो मैं आप सबसे कहना चाहता हूँ, हमने एक इंटीग्रेटेड टाउनशिप पॉलिसी भी हमने लाया, जिसके बारे में मैं दो शब्द कहना चाहता हूँ. क्या है इंटीग्रेटेड टाउनशिप? इंटीग्रेटेड टाउनशिप का मतलब ये है कि अगर आप कोई टाउनशिप बना रहे हो तो उसमें लिव, वर्क, लर्न, प्ले, इस सारी चीज़ों का सुविधा होना चाहिए. एक टाउनशिप सेल्फ कंटेन होना चाहिए. तो इसको हम लोग प्रमोट कर रहे हैं पूरा आउटर रिंग रोड के चारों तरफ. तो आउटर रिंग रोड के 5 किलोमीटर बाहर अगर आप टाउनशिप अगर बनाओगे तो एनीबडी हू कांट अफोर्ड अ विला और अ फ्लैट इन हैदराबाद, दे कैन गो देयर इन Hyderabad. They can commute either inside the township or if they have to commute into Hyderabad also they can come and go. So idea is to decongest the core city, create counter magnets around Ovara so that the core city is decongested and people also have better quality of living. So these are the two things I am very confident about, which will improve, the growth all around Hyderabad.
It it will facilitate road decongestion and significantly decrease pollution. It improves quality of life. What exactly? Walk to work and most of the daily needs will be met in that locality itself. Schools ఉంటాయి, colleges కూడా ఉంటాయి, shopping areas, whatever daily needs we need, restaurants, hospitals, many more. Very few things will need commuting outside, at least for most of the family members. And that's what the purpose of encouraging these townships. And government will provide a lot of support in terms of regulations and other aspects, including tax rebates. And Googie will, of course, will take advantage of this. And Googie will be one of the first industrial companies to start this in the new policy. So we are, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to start a satellite township. Mr. Akbar will speak about this. Where it is located, near Ibrahimpatnam. Again, I will leave this for Mr. Akbar. And this is how it is going to be. We have this video. Yeah.
Booming with real estate growth since the past 2 decades, transforming
Investment option which we are talking about. I invite now our MD Mr. Akbar to talk about this and his address. After this, we'll take some questions and we'll meet one to one. Mr. Akbar, please come. Please invite and welcome with a round of applause.
Yeah, very good evening all. No song. Once again, good evening all. I take privilege to welcome you all this evening. You take out your valuable time here. Special thanks to Swaranjit sir. So, and all my directors, joint directors, all my respected chief guests, as well as all invitees, investors also. Thank you very much once again. Good evening all. So let me thank my director, Mr. Dera sir, Ramchandran sir, as well as Gauss sir also for their beautiful presentation. So just I want to give brief information about my team also. So who is Dera sir? Ramchandran Reddy sir is ex-banker. What about Gauss sir? He's also ex-banker and insurance background personality. And many of my team members related to banking, insurance, IT, as well as different segments. They are not at all related to the real estate sector, including me. Myself, Sheikh Akbar, I work for ICICI Prudential for 12 years. I am doing the real estate business. So if you see entire my sales force, 90% of people are not at all real estate background. You want to see these people? You are interested to see my team? Let me invite my entire sales force here. Directors as well as joint directors, please come onto the stage. Please speak. First, just I want to give brief information. To go back. This stage is not enough for these top personalities. Please.
Sir, excuse me.
Everybody see?
Sir, move on. Sir, move on, sir.
Please. Just see, these are all my top level personalities, top level management team, directors, senior directors, as well as joint directors. We have a total 4,000 team, 4,000 force. So as I said previously, we have maximum people from non-real estate background. They are not at a real estate background. So these are the people, reason for that. We need to give a big round of these personalities, great personalities. So if I give introduction, it will take almost 1 hour. So, but you see the personalities, you will give in detail information further. Anyway, we are going to meet further also, right? So thank you very much, sir. So yeah. So who we are? We are not in a real estate previously. We are into different segment: banking, insurance, IT, pharma, even, and teaching department like college lecturers, professors, principals. Many people are there. So as a team, we want to enter into real estate field. Before entering into this real estate, what exactly we used to do? Majority of my team members used to do in banking and insurance sector. When it comes to banking and insurance sector, we used to give financial advice to the people. So multiple investment options are available in the market. Be it a mutual fund, share, FD, insurance, gold, multiple options are available in the market. We used to advise to the customers. We used to do a financial assessment, financial planning to the customers. So we used to have a certain products like mutual fund, shares and FDs. And in my career, I used to sell many insurance policies and mutual funds, ULIP also. So like that, many of my colleagues used to sell this kind of products. So after certain years, after 5 years, 10 years, if you see the growth of my customers over a period of 5 years and 10 years, so hardly it is 7%, 10%, 15% of the maximum highest rate of return if you take certain mutual funds and shares. But when it comes to customer, the customer expectation is very high. Why very high? Because they would able to see the returns in different segments, different options. Yeah, let me welcome Mr. Iftikhar, sir. Dear sir. Where is dear sir?
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. We acknowledge the presence of Mr. Iftikhar Ahmed. We'll have a small AV about you. Yes.
Iftikhar Sharif is a name that is famous in the USA and India as well. Mr. Iftikhar Sharif is a well-known community leader, social activist, businessman and philanthropist living in Chicago and also has a second home in Shamshabad, Hyderabad. His friendly and kind nature is what makes him all the more wonderful. He is the president and CEO of many successful small and mid-sized companies both in the USA and India, and has received the first overseas citizenship of India on the 7th of Jan 2006 from the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, for his contributions towards the society. Being the founder of many financial institutions, shopping complexes, hotels and other companies and commercial real estate in the USA, Mr. Iftikhar Sharif also owns NBC Credit Card Solutions in India. His benevolence reflects in his track record of hosting receptions in USA to all visiting dignitaries from India, irrespective of their political affiliations. A man of great respect, Mr. Iftikhar Sharif had always worked towards solving the problems faced by NRIs and was welcomed by many leaders like Madam Sonia Gandhi, Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha, Ms. Meera Kumari, Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy, and Chandrababu Naidu and many others. Apart from the numerous Indian leaders, Mr. Iftikhar Sharif had received tremendous respect from American leaders like Barack Obama. He had hosted and sponsored many sport and cultural events to promote the pride of India and to strengthen the Indo-American relations. It is a privilege to have such an honorable gentleman as our chief guest today. We consider it a great honor to welcome Mr. Iftikhar Sharif onto the stage.
we are discussing about investments, right? Our background, who we are into different segment, financial planners, financial advisors. We used to have different products previously. So say, any individual person need to have a financial planning. So as a bankers, as insurance personalities, we used to give financial planning to customers. So whenever we used to give advice to the customers, out of our products only we have to give. There is no other option, right? I can't give other option than when it comes to bank. So products like RD, FD, mutual fund shares, these kind of products are available in the banking sector. So we used to give, and customer used to buy because we used to explain like that. But when it comes to returns, over a period of time, over a period of 5 years, over a period of 10 years, if you take, returns are not that much expected. So hardly from 7% to 10%, maximum 15% average growth was. So certain areas even negative return also because of the risk factors, mutual fund and shares. Obviously there is a risk involved with the particular product. So we thought after working 10 to 15 years, you want to give a right financial planning, right advice to your customer. Is there any other product to give to the customer? So we thought, after doing so much research, we thought property is the best product to give advice to the customer, so the customers are going to get benefit out of it. So that's what our entire team, our entire ICICI and HDFC and insurance, banking, fraternity came into this business. As a group, we are doing this business. That's what we are successful. Within 3 years, from 2 acres to now we are talking about 1,000 acres is not a joke, right? So this business we are not started just like that. With planning, everything is a planned one. Professional way we are doing, because when it comes to entire team is a complete experience and professional personalities are there. That's what we did a research also. So when it comes to Hyderabad is growing. If you take last 20 years, last 10 years, last 5 years, Hyderabad market, real estate market is doing very well, fantastic. 30-40% growth is there. But certain areas are growing very fast. Like for example, if you take High-Tech City, grown very fast. Gachibowli, also same. Adibandla, growing very fast because of the idea. Now Pharma City. So these are the areas where growth expected is very high. There is a reason for that, right? Why IT City is growing very fast? Because of the IT sectors, IT companies. Because when it comes to Adibandla, same idea. Gachibowli also, idea. If prices need to increase, there should be a reason. So without reason, prices will not grow fast. So we understand the concept. We are choosing the locations wherever the growth opportunity is there. Wherever the fast growth opportunity is there, we are selecting the particular areas. That's the most important thing. Success behind the Googie is selection of the properties. Wherever the upcoming companies are there, are coming in that particular areas, we are finding. We basically, if you see our projects, especially East Hyderabad, I would say. Why East Hyderabad? So, High-Tech City and Gachibowli already growing and grown. I would say now Gachibowli around saturation point is there because more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs per square yard is there. So highest rates are there in Gachibowli. These are the upcoming areas where we can see tremendous and fast growth. East Hyderabad. That's what we have chosen. There is a reason behind choosing this area also. If you see this side, ORR Outer Ring Road, so it's well connected to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. If you see Adibandla location, well connected with the ORR as well as the International Airport, and we can connect from Gachibowli as well as the High-Tech City also. So transportation is very easy, and we can find Rangareddy Collector Office and TCS, the biggest one, almost 25 to 30,000 employees are working in the particular area. And now the biggest opportunity is the Pharma City. Pharma City is the world's biggest pharmaceutical hub. People will, even many people don't know what exactly the Pharma City. Pharma City is going to be one of the best investment option for Hyderabad because it is going to be world's biggest one. Not only Telangana and Hyderabad, it is going to get named to entire India. So because when it comes to pharmaceuticals, we are kings, we are the hub for pharma bulk drugs. So next level, this pharma city is going to take you our country's highest level in entire world. So just want to listen what exactly KCR said about the pharma city. Just I want to you to listen on that. So just 1-2 minutes video about pharma city.
Final when it's complete, Hyderabad Pharma City total area would be 19,333 acres, nearly 20,000 acres in total. It will be a new international benchmark for smart and sustainable integrated industrial city. What do I mean by integrated? I'll come to that in a minute. And it will be the largest industrial cluster in the world. ప్రపంచంలోనే ఫార్మస్యూటికల్స్ కి బల్క్ డ్రగ్స్ కి సంబంధించిన లార్జెస్ట్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ క్లస్టర్ దేశంలో కాదు, మన భారతదేశంలో కాదు, ప్రపంచంలోనే దిస్ విల్ బి ద లార్జెస్ట్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ క్లస్టర్ ఫర్ ఫార్మస్యూటికల్స్ అలోన్. కేవలం ఫార్మా మాత్రమే ఇంత పెద్ద మొత్తంలో తీసుకున్న ఏకైక ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇది ప్రపంచంలోనే కాబోతాం. ఇందులో మనకు అన్నీ కూడా ఉండబోతాం.
హైదరాబాదు తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం కాంటెక్స్ట్లో మనకు చాలా గర్వించి చెప్పుకునేటువంటి ఇండస్ట్రీ ఫార్మా ఇండస్ట్రీ చాలా గొప్ప అయిపోయినటువంటి ఆల్మోస్ట్ 40% అధ్యక్ష, గతంలో 30-32% చెప్పేది 40-45% ఫార్మా ఉత్పత్తులను మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం దేశం మొత్తం జరిగేటువంటి ఉత్పత్తిలో 40-45% మనం చేస్తాం. అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయిలో ఏ విధంగా చేస్తున్నారో ఆ విధంగా మనం చేయలేమా, మనకు సామర్థ్యం లేదా, అసలు హజార్డు నివారించలేమా అని చెప్పి నేను తీవ్రంగా తీసుకొని నేను నా పేషీలో పనిచేసేటువంటి ప్రిన్సిపల్ సెక్రటరీ శాంతి కుమార్ గారితో సహా మన టీఎస్ఐఐసి ఎండి నరసింహారెడ్డి గారిని ఇతర ఇండస్ట్రీ సెక్రటరీస్ వాళ్ళందరూ పంపించడం జరిగింది అధ్యక్ష. 5-6 దేశాలు తిరిగి వచ్చింది. వాళ్ళు వచ్చి ఇచ్చిన రిపోర్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఒక ఫార్మాస్యూటికల్ ఇండస్ట్రీ ముందు రోజు మనం ప్రయాణం చేస్తుంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజు మన రాష్ట్రంలో ఆ వాసన వస్తుంది అధ్యక్ష. మనకు తెలుస్తుంది ఇక్కడ ఫార్మా ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఉందండి, అక్కడ మటుకు ఫ్యాక్టరీ లోపల పోయినా కూడా వాసన రానటువంటి పరిస్థితి. దాన్ని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని ఈరోజు ఫార్మా సిటీ తేవాలని చెప్పి ప్రయత్నం చేసి ఈ దాంతో ఒక చోట తీసుకుపోయి నియంత్రణగా చేసుకోవాలని నిర్ణయించింది అధ్యక్ష. మన హైదరాబాద్ కూడా మనం రీజనల్ రింగ్ రోడ్ కూడా మంజూరు చేసుకున్నాం అధ్యక్ష. నితిన్ గడ్కరీ గారికి మన థ్యాంక్స్ కూడా చెప్పాను. వారు చాలా దయతో 330 కిలోమీటర్ల రింగ్ రోడ్డు మంజూరు కూడా చేశారు. డిపిఆర్ తయారవుతా ఉంది. ఇప్పుడున్న అవుటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్ కాకుండా మళ్ళీ ఒక రీజనల్ రింగ్ రోడ్ కూడా వస్తూ ఉంది. కాబట్టి డెవలప్మెంట్ అవుటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్కు సిటీ మధ్య, అవుటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్కు రీజనల్ రింగ్ రోడ్ మధ్య పూర్తి స్థాయిలో హైదరాబాద్ నలుగులో రావాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంటుంది అధ్యక్ష.
Pharmacity, because when it comes to the selection of the location, the importance of the location, I want to give a clarification why we are choosing this particular area. Because we have Srisailam Highway and Sagar Highway, upcoming areas, we can expect very fast growth in the particular areas because Pharma City is there, Adipatla IT Hub is there, International Airport, obviously, and when it comes to Triple R also, it is going to connect Triple R also, and most important, apart from the infrastructure, you can see power. Srisailam and Sagar నుంచి power కూడా వస్తుంది, very near the particular area. Water is most important thing, right? Water also, Nagarjuna Sagar Highway as well as Srisailam. So water, electricity, transportation, everything is there. And most important thing, the distance if you take from Hyderabad, hardly 10, 50, 20, 25 kilometers. If you see the distance from the Hyderabad to Pharma City, from international airport to Pharma City, hardly 25 kilometers. It means whatever the projects we are doing within 25 kilometers of Hyderabad, so well connected and growth opportunity areas. That's what we are successful. Wherever we are doing, whatever the projects we have completed as of now, we completed projects at Adipatla surroundings, Yadadri, as well as the Ramoji Film City, now Pharma City. So upcoming areas are Pharma City surroundings. It means Nagarjuna Sagar Highway as well as Srisailam Highway is upcoming area. There is a huge opportunity because when it comes to Telangana, if you take any area for that matter, across the Telangana, we can expect a growth. When it comes to Hyderabad, is emerging market across the globe, across the India if you take. Top cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Cosmopolitan city lo తీసుకున్నప్పుడు Hyderabad is giving the highest returns. More than 30-35% return ఉంది. Even though if you take a COVID time, entire global market is slowed down. Majority of the companies shut down. Cost cutting, employees reduction ఉంది, salaries lo cutting ఉంది. But when it comes to Hyderabad real estate market, not affected that much. Hyderabad real estate market is growing. Even for that, an example I will give you. We started 2 projects in the month of March. We launched 2 projects in the month of March. One is 100 acres. The second is 25 acres at Adipatla. It's very near to Wonderla. So in the month of March, it was around 15th, we launched the project. From 22 onwards, lockdown. We launched the project and within 1 week, got lockdown happened. So at that time also, we could able to educate our team over the teleconference. We used to give information to our sales force saying that what exactly the effect of COVID, internationally how it is going to affect, what is the impact on real estate. So we used to communicate with our sales force, we used to engage our sales force. Once lockdown is over, after 2 months, we could able to gather once again and we could able to sell within no time. We could able to sell entire projects within COVID time. I think in Hyderabad, nobody has done this kind of efforts. Within 5 to 6 months, selling 150 acres is not a joke. 100% this credit goes to my entire team. I want to give you congratulations and clap for them. So, why this happened? Because Hyderabad market only. Sales force is there, still market should support. Hyderabad market is supporting. If you take the construction, definitely it will take some more, even it may take 1 year or 2 years also, construction. But when it comes to open plots, to invest, if somebody want to invest, the right time, right place, only property, open plots is the right investment options as of now. If you compare with gold, if you compare with mutual fund, if you compare with share, whatever it may be, if you have a huge money, if you have a good money to invest, open plot is the right option to invest to get more return. Then why booking? So many companies are there, multiple options are there, right? You can invest. But when it comes to in open plots, real estate market, very few companies are professional companies. So if you see the background of realtors, though I would not say like that, but if you see a reality, like 20 साल पहले, 15 साल पहले, anybody, for example, if you see most of the people, those who have a more than 40 years experience, 40 years age group, 40 plus age group, 20 years back, majority जिसको अच्छा नौकरी मिला, प्राइवेट जॉब, गवर्नमेंट जॉब जो भी है करे, और जिसके पास पैसे थे, तो बिजनेस करे, कुछ भी काम धंधा नहीं था, तो रियल एस्टेट करे, लेकिन उन्होंने जो अच्छा पैसा कमा लिए, because they are into the business, even though they don't have a professionalism, but they are into the business, that's what they will able to mint money. When it comes to nowadays, even public, for example, मेरे पास पैसा है, लेकिन प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट करने को डर रहा हूँ, क्यों? कब्जा हो सकता, लीगल प्रॉब्लम हो सकते, these are the things public में है भी. But when it comes to our team, selection of the property, good location, and when it comes to legally, we are going to thorough legal verification before entering the agreement of the particular landowner, thorough check रहता. And we are doing the legal ventures like HMDA or DDC only. So, if customer buys now, after 10 years or 20 years, whenever you want to sell, you can sell happily without any litigation. And when it comes to developments, we are doing the best in the market. Definitely you can see, you can witness. And when it comes to ventures also, we are not just we are doing a road drainage, we are giving the clubhouses and resorts. For example, if you take 100 acres, 200 acres project loan, for example, if you buy a plant now, after 6 months or 1 year, if you want to visit that place, generally nothing will be there, right? But when it comes to our ventures, definitely picnic laga వెళ్ళొచ్చు. With your family, you can go as a picnic tour. That kind of environment we are creating. We are creating like a townships, not just like a ventures. The township oriented programs we are doing. So that's what we are successful. And next level also. Next, for example, upcoming venture already we started on 150 acres venture. Already pre-launch is open. At the same time, next venture, upcoming venture, we are planning 1,000 acres. That is a satellite township. So yes, we had a presentation on that also. Satellite is work-to-work concept. Schools, colleges, hospitals, everything will be there. 25% will be a commercial, 75% will be a residential zone. So majority of the township, everything will be available. It may be a school, it may be a college, it may be a shopping complex, theatre, whatever it may be. Though the entire level will be designed like that, work-to-work concept. So definitely it is going to be a first kind of project in Hyderabad. We are going to do it. Definitely it's our privilege to have that kind of project. So next level, we want to do that kind of project. So basically, why you invited here? Couple of people, many industrialists as well as the IT company owner to be part of Googie, so that this is a win-win situation for both the parties. So whatever the profit we are getting, we want to distribute you with safe and security. For example, if you want to invest individually, you have to select the place and you need to identify the places, you need to check legally it is correct or not, rate, everything. And if you want to resell also, it's very difficult as an individual person. As a team, definitely we can sell because we have a professional team to sell. So for you, not a problem. If you have money now, let's take investment option, for example, if you have a 10 crore now, what are the options available in the market? Any? Apart from the mutual fund, for example, you can choose gold. 10 crores is very difficult to invest in 10 gold. The only one option, that is the property option. For example, somebody want to get a regular income on that investment. Many people want regular income, right? So for that, people are purchasing commercial complexes, residential complexes to get a regular income. So for example, if somebody want to invest in property to get a regular income, what will be the percentage of return per annum? Approximately 6% to 8%. Am I right? 6 to 8%. For example, if you want to invest 1 crore rupee in property to get a regular income, average return on your investment will be 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs per annum. Am I right? Are you there? So if you want to invest 1 crore rupee today to get a regular income, if you take a banking sector, hardly 4-5% after TDS. The other alternative options, if you take a rental income option, 6 to 8% I am considering. Let's take the highest 8%. So you are going to get 8 lakh rupees per annum on your 1 crore investment. If you invest 10 crores, 80 lakh is your annual income. So because it is privilege and honor to have a property, obviously you are investing in that. కొన్న తర్వాత ప్రెస్టేజ్ ఫీల్ అవుతాం మనం. 10 కోట్ల ప్రాపర్టీ రెసిడెన్షియల్ కమర్షియల్ కొన్నప్పుడు we feel as a prestige, proud. We are getting a regular income of 80 lakh rupee. Safe and security only, I am getting a regular income. I am happy with that. But when it comes to other alternative options, if you see, we are going to come up with the same option, safe and security, the utmost priority which we want to give with your investment. Whatever the amount you are investing, for that, you are going to get a 100% safe and security. It means collateral. Land will be registered on your name. For example, if you want to invest 10 crore rupee, 10 crore worth of land will be registered on your name. When it comes to yearly return, if you take, you are going to get 25%. It means 25 lakh you are going to get for annum return. Is it good or a bad option? So if you take the other options, maximum is 8%. I am talking about guaranteed options. Guaranteed, even that is even rental income also not guaranteed. 6 to 8% you can expect. When it comes to year, we are giving a guaranteed option with safe and security. Whatever the amount you are investing, for that you are going to get 100% security. Land will be, wherever we are doing the project, in that project only you are going to get a land allocation, 100% guarantee. legally it is a proven one, good one, and appreciation will be a very highest level. Definitely you can expect very good appreciation. But from company end, we want to give a minimum guarantee, minimum assurance to the customers, those who are investing with us. If you want to invest 1 crore, you are going to get 25 lakhs is the minimum guarantee on your investment. If you are investing a 10 crore, you are going to get a 2.5 crore as a regular income per annum. This is what we are going to come up with the next program, and multiple options are available after this. If you are really interested to purchase the property, once pre-launch is over, pre-launch is open, definitely you can purchase the property. That's not a compulsory to purchase the property, but once you come along with us, definitely you can find other alternative options. You can see 30, 40, 50% growth also. That growth opportunity is there in the business. We have a strong team to handle the sales, and we have a strong legal team to do the scrutiny of the documentation, and we have a very good team for development also. So land acquisition is in our hands, development also in our hands, sales also in our hands. 3 in 1 with Googie is there. So you are in safe hands, I'm sure. So once you start journey with Googie, it will be continued further also. Regular basis you are going to continue with Googie. That promise I will definitely give it to you, because our motto is every customer should feel happy. Even ఒక్క కస్టమర్ కూడా మా తరఫు నుంచి లాస్ పొందొద్దు. ఇఫ్ కస్టమర్ బైస్ అగ్రిమెంట్ చేసుకుంటే 25% పే చేసి ఆయన ఎకనామికల్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చి ఇన్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ యూ డ్రాప్స్ ఆల్సో ఎంటైర్ మనీ విల్ బి రిటర్న్ టు ద కస్టమర్. దట్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ యూ. అండ్ ఈవెన్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ తర్వాత కూడా వన్స్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ డన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1 year and 2 years, ఇఫ్ కస్టమర్ వాంట్ టు సెల్, we have a resale bucket. Those who want to sell a property, we have a resale bucket. You can inform to our company saying that I want to sell my property. So buying is very easy, selling is very difficult as a customer. But for us it's very easy because we have a team. That's what it is easy for us. We want to make sure our every customer should feel very happy with our association. So as an investor, you want a safe place, guaranteed return, and good association. We are there to make 3 in 1. So choice is yours. It's not compulsory to invest because you need to recheck. There is a procedure to invest also. First procedure, you need to come and visit our office first. Then you need to visit location. Third, you need to verify the documents. Once everything is fine from your end, you are happy, satisfied, then you can invest. That is our investment option. Verify first, satisfy, then only you can start investing. We have a sales force, we have experienced personalities, all our directors and joint directors. They have a complete knowledge about their projects and everything. They will take you go through the complete information. Just follow their words. Wherever you need information, whatever the clarification required, we are there to clarify your doubts. So this is what I want to tell you. This kind of meets we want to continue because we want to create awareness in the market, because this is a very big sector. Real estate sector is a very big sector. People want to invest, but they want guidance, proper guidance. So we are there to give a proper guidance. 100% our promise. Definitely you are going to get benefit out of it. If you come along with us, 100% I am sure you will feel very happy, very proud, without single percentage loss or any other defect from our end. We will make sure that your property will grow very fast, your money will, whatever we commit after 1 year or 2 years, whatever the commitment we are giving, that will be given, fulfilled in time with safe and security. It's not like that, just you need to give money just like that. After verifying all the documents, after you getting the safe security, the land registration, so everything will be processed, because if you are okay, then the process will start like that. The simple process and standard process, win-win situation. Because why we want to involve you people? Because when it comes to our company motto, go together, grow together. I can invite my partners, somebody, I can take a partnership, but I don't want to do that kind of partnerships. I want to involve more and more people. I want to make more people economically develop. And if you come in this field, automatically from your circle, for your family, definitely they also come. They also definitely cherish. They also economically develop. So we can make more people happy. We can invite more people, and we can give more employment. So that is our motto, as dear sir Ramchandra sir rightly said. So our agenda next 2031 by end, not less than 10,000 people. We want to give employment in this sector. That to professional people, we want to invite more professional people into this sector, because Hyderabad is very fast growing market. Those who want to invest in property, definitely they can invest anywhere. They can invest by checking, by verifying, and by choosing these HMD or DTCP layouts. Definitely they can buy it. But as an investor, you need a platform. We are there to give a right platform to you with safe and security. That's what I want to tell you. Over to Ramchandra sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We are pleased to have you among us. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of our presentation session. Cocktails will be served to you on the table, and if any questions, we are available for personal discussions on your table. So, all our senior directors and we will be available for personal discussions. We will be serving cocktails. Please enjoy the cocktail followed by dinner, and we will interact at your respective tables. And all our senior persons, including Mr. Akbar, will be available for personal discussions. Thank you. For our guests watching us through live streaming, thank you very much for your patience and your presence among us online.
Any questions?
We thank you for your patronage, and live streaming will end now. For those present in the hall, for those who are watching us through YouTube, if any questions are there, please write to us. We'll be happy to answer those. And those present in the hall, if any questions are there, we'll take some questions now. And after some time, anyway, we'll be available for personal discussions. If any questions, one mic should be available to run through. One more mic is there. We'll be here on the stage. Our movie panel will be available on the stage to take on questions if any. Gausa and Kenarji. Mr. Gauss and Mr. Kena, Reswan, please come to the stage, please. Gausa, up here. The person is carrying the mic. Any questions, please raise the hand. Generic questions can be asked now. In a specific case, any will be available on the table. You have one question here. We'll hear the questions.
So it's not a query or clarification. I was just asking the team here. There's a printed material.
The mic near to you.
There's a printed material about the investment options and all the different things that go along with the investment. Printed material.
As of now, no printed material. These investments are very personal in nature, and it differs from person to person. So it is our offering now, and in response to your specific situation, we'll answer.
Personally, we can meet and have a complete discussion. The printed material also is there, but we don't want to distribute. Those who are interested, because everybody has their own clarifications, right? We want to give customized clarification, depending on person to person. Those who have a clarification, definitely we are here to give a complete clarification. If not now, once you visit our office or site, definitely you will get a complete information also for that if you want. And here, definitely we are there to give a clarification also, if anybody wants any clarification on that.
Hello, good evening everybody. Sir, my question is, okay, anybody, any individual invests the amount, so as you have explained me, there is a rate of investment, there is a rate, a percentage of returns that he gets after 1 year term period. So does that vary each year? I mean the rate of returns, it varies each year or is it constant or what? After how long period it increases?
It is like yearly based. First year 100% is guaranteed. If you want to continue further, definitely we'll have a detailed discussion on that. The case to case, depending on customer to customer, we'll customize.
Okay, for example, if I invest 1 crore and then the returns is 1 crore is the capital and the 25 lakhs is the return that I get, right?
Yes.
So the second year also, on what factors that increases or it may also decrease or it will always go on increasing or sometimes it may decline?
Depending on your wish. For example, after completion of 12 months, we are ready to pay 1 crore plus profit 25 lakhs. 1 crore 25 lakhs will be given to you. If you want to continue further, yes, we have a provision for that also.
So if we do not want to continue, can we change our mind and can we close the, whatever is the agreement between us and then?
Yes, you can return your agreement, you can return your, because we are registering on your name, right? You need to give a GPA or sale to our company name and you can take total amount back along with the profit.
Okay, alright. Okay, thank you.
Your document, you need to register on our name because the land is registered on your name, right? So you need to give back the land, whatever the land we register on your name, and you can take total profit. This is one thing. And further also, we have other options where you can part of our growth story. If you are expecting more than 25%, yes, you can expect more than 25% also, 30, 40, 50 also can expect. But for that, you need to involve. We are there to guide you how to get more than 25%. Because in this sector, in these options, definitely you have an option to get more than 25% also. But if you want a guarantee, yes, that option is available. 25 minimum guarantee. If you want to take plots worth of whatever the investment you are investing, we are going to give a pre-launch offer to the customers. Let's take the pre-launch offer for the customers at 10,000 rupees example. For you, you will be given a discounted prices. 15% or 20%, you will be given a discount price so that you will get a more return. If you choose plotting, you will be given a discount price because you are invested with us. You need to choose immediately, invest now. After 1 month or 2, whenever we pre-launch the project, there is a price, fixed price. Whatever the price is there from the company, you will be given a discount on that. Bare minimum 15% discount will be there. For example, now I am giving around 15% discount to you. Let's take next year is getting appreciated 20%. It means you are going to get more than 35%. But anyhow, bare minimum 25% is a return is a guarantee for you. So whichever is higher you can choose. So in detail we can definitely have a detailed discussion one-to-one. That will be better, I think so. Any more questions? Any more questions?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Sir, you said you'll be giving us, in case we want to opt for the land, you said you'll be giving us 15% discount on the rate, something you said. But you have different options, like the person who invests 100%, the people opting for installments, and somebody will be going for part investment and everything. So which one would you be considering for us?
Yeah, right question, sir. You need to give you a big round of applause to you, definitely. Yeah, when it comes to, as a company, we have options, as you rightly said. If somebody want to pay total amount, there is one price.
Yeah.
If somebody want to pay 25%, there is a separate price. If somebody want to pay 50%, separate price. So for you especially, whatever the final price, fixed price is there for a total payment. For example, I will tell you how it will be like that. Let's take, if I am quoting at 10,000 rupees per square yard, for 25% payment, I will give a 6 months time. Normally. If somebody want to pay 50%, the same property per square yard, I will give 9,300. If somebody want to pay total amount, I will give 8,600. This is total amount. For you, on this also you are going to get discount.
I interrupt you, sorry. I'm an 100% investor, right?
Yes.
So I'll be considered as a person who has already invested 100% when you come to land acquisition.
Yes.
Yes, so I'll be considered as a 100% investor.
You will be considered as a 100% investor, investment option. At the same time, on that price also, you are going to get a 10% more discount on that.
Okay, 15% plus 10%.
No. For example, cost, as I mentioned, example, 10,000, 9,300, 8,600 is the total price.
Right.
As a customer, if I pre-launch the project, you have to buy at the rate of 8,600 normally.
Right.
Because you already invested with us 1 month, 2 months before. I will consider you as my investor. On that rate also, I am going to give a very minimum 10% discount. Got it?
So pre-launch offer reduced by 10% price
Yes.
will be available. That is after 1 year.
Yes, sir. No. Sorry.
That is after 1 year, immediately whenever that offer is launched.
Yes, it will be mostly it will take under 2 months maximum. So whenever you get pre-launch, you will be treated as a special. Whatever the price is there, in that also, you will be considered, you will get a discount price on that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Any more questions? So,
Good evening,
thank you
sir.
very much and
Yeah, I have a question. Yeah. See, suppose 1 crore is invested, your return will be 25% of the 1 year. Is in addition to the land appreciation?
yeah, the options are available. Because 1 to 1 we have to discuss.
No, 1 crore I will invest. You are assuring 25%, and my land value also will grow during 1 year, right? In addition to the crore, you will be giving or only 25%?
No. As a customer, if you are choosing, we have 3 options available. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
One option is fixed option. Where you can choose from the fixed category. Once project pre-launch within 1 month or 2 months, you can choose. You will be given pre-launch land. You feel that if I choose a plots, if I choose a land, I am going to get a more return. You can choose. Option will be given to you.
Okay, either of them.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Questions will be taken after this dinner or at the time of dinner also. So please, dear sir.
And will be available for personal discussion at your respective desks also. Thank you. Enjoy the cocktails and dinner. सेकंड क्लास है, बट स्टिल मिस्टर वहीद साहब, M.A. वहीद, स्टेज पे आइए सर। वहीद साहब एंड टीम, खलील सिंह, मिस्टर खलील आप भी आइए सर। To Mr. Wahid. Yes, now the announcement by Mr. Wahid himself.
Yes. Hello, good evening everybody. As Mr. DRR announced, my name is M.A. Wahid. I am associated with Googie Properties for the last 1 year. My first association was on 8th of January 2020. So exactly 1 year, one day today. Standing with Mr. DRR on the stage, I remember what he said 1 year back. Don't wait to buy property. You buy property and wait. So that was the thing. And the other thing which impressed me was the phenomenal marketing and the business which Googie Properties did during the COVID lockdown period. So that was doing a marvelous job supporting so many people. So this is where I was motivated, and today now I have also seen the Googie philosophy: go together, grow together. Wonderful philosophy. I think you need to give a round of applause for this philosophy. Go together, grow together. Sindhu Shankar.
Sir. Look here, sir. Yeah, ready, sir. Ready.
Now, Mr. Sindhu Shankar, మీరు అనౌన్స్మెంట్ చేయండి, మీరు అనౌన్స్ చేయండి కదా.
హలో, అందరికీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అండి. యాక్చువల్గా నేను 2017 కంపెనీ స్టార్ట్ అయిన నుంచి నేను మన అక్బర్ గారితో నేను అసోసియేట్ అయి ఉన్నాను ఈ కంపెనీతో. సో నాకు చాలా రోజుల నుంచి నాకు చాలామంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజు ఏదైతే అనౌన్స్ చేసినారో ఈ అనౌన్స్మెంట్ నేను ఆల్రెడీ మా ఫ్రెండ్స్తో నేను డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇది వాళ్ళందరికీ నచ్చి మేమందరం ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తామని చెప్పి వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరు నాతో ఫోన్లో మాట్లాడి మేము ఒక 5 crores వరకు అనౌన్స్ చేస్తామని చెప్పేసి ఈరోజు నాకు ఫోన్ చేసినారు. సో ఇప్పుడు స్టేజ్ మీద ఆల్రెడీ ఒక 4 ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు. నాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. సో ఈ అక్బర్ గారికి నేను ఈ సభాముఖంగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, Shankarji, Dr. Ravi Nayak and team. The big boys team of Googie, Srinivas Reddy Garu and team.
Good evening everyone. Srinivas Reddy Garu, Googie Properties Private Limited. Satellite Township లో 15 CR ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ వచ్చింది. జస్ట్ 15 days లో 100 CR ఇస్తా. 15 days లో 100 CR ఇస్తున్నాను. జస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఒక 15 CR ఇస్తున్నాను. జస్ట్ ఈ 15 days లోనే మీకు 100 CR ఇస్తాను Satellite Township లో. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.